everything that we're doing. It's a lot of work and wanted to share. I feel a little funny about sharing all my personal stuff, and I know we just got another lake house that we built, and I'm very fortunate. Our last house 11 years ago, we totally renovated and bought this house. There was walls all right here, all over here. We took them all out. And then we are going to be demoing the walls over here. So all of this is going to come out. So that's going to be open. That's the dining room. We're actually pushing the wall back here, getting a beam up here. And then putting a kitchen with a big island. And then there was a wall here out to the bump out. So that is all coming out. And so it's gonna be a nice open floor plan. We've got these tall ceilings and skylights with a brick wall. So it's a lot going on here right now.